Are you ready to discover the best walking shoes of 2025? Today, I'll be sharing 3 amazing models that stand out for their comfort, durability, and performance. If you're unsure about choosing the right walking shoes, this video is just for you. Let's get started. Hoka Arahi 7. This model is designed for hiking and running enthusiasts who prioritize stability. Without wasting any time, I'll quickly go over the key features of this shoe and explain why it made it onto our list. Let's dive in. Key features of the Hoka Arahi 7. First point, J-frame stability system. This technology helps prevent your feet from rolling inward, making your steps more controlled. Second point, Meta Rocker technology. It provides a smooth transition and offers a natural walking and running feel. Third point, premium mesh upper. A lightweight yet snug-fitting, high-quality material is used. Fourth point, soft and supportive tongue design. It ensures a comfortable fit on your foot. Fifth point, gusseted design. It prevents the tongue from slipping and provides better foot stability. Sixth point, lightweight. Despite its stability features, it remains incredibly light. Seventh point, anti-pronation support, specially designed for those who experience excessive pronation. Eighth point, durability, ideal for long distances and everyday use. Ninth point, price-to-performance ratio, offers high-end features at a mid-range price. 10th point, adaptability to all foot movements, a great option for different step types. 11th point, ankle and knee protection. The stability feature reduces the load on these areas. 12th point, long-lasting comfort, especially provides comfort during long distances. 13th point, style and elegance. Its modern, simple design makes it suitable for everyday wear. Lastly, this model does have some downsides. Breathability is somewhat limited, and the sole may feel stiff for some users. The Hoka Arahi 7 is a great option for those seeking stability and durability. If these features are important to you, it's definitely worth checking out. So, what do you think? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. New Balance Fresh Foam X860V14. Our next product is a model that's set to become a favorite among running and walking enthusiasts. The New Balance Fresh Foam X860V14. This shoe stands out as an ideal option for both daily training and long walks. Designed specifically for those seeking stability and comfort, I'll now break down its key features for you, one by one. Key features of the New Balance Fresh Foam X860V14. 1. Dual-layer Fresh Foam X technology. This system provides soft cushioning while delivering robust stability, helping you feel more balanced during runs. 2. EVA Stability Plate. A subtle yet effective plate gently guides your foot to prevent overpronation. Unlike traditional rigid support systems, it offers a more natural movement experience. 3. Heel Strike Optimized Design. Perfect for heel strikers. This model's cushioning system adds extra comfort during runs. 4. Durable outsole. Its abrasion-resistant construction provides excellent grip on various surfaces, making it great for both urban runs and trail use. 5. Outstanding heel support. Extra padding in the heel enhances stability and ensures comfort even during prolonged use. 6. Reflective detail. These features improve visibility during evening runs, adding an extra layer of safety. 7. Modern stability approach. Instead of rigid support structures, this shoe gently and naturally guides your foot for a smoother experience. 8. Versatile usage. Ideal not just for running, but also for daily walks or situations where you need to stay on your feet for extended periods. 9. Soft cushioning and support balance. Combines plush, fresh foam, X cushioning with a slightly firmer base to deliver both comfort and support. 10th. Sleek and minimal design. Its clean, modern look makes it suitable for both the gym and everyday wear. 11th. Secure upper construction. The snug mesh upper offers a secure fit, particularly around the heel area. 12th, great price-to-performance ratio. Compared to similar models on the market, this shoe offers impressive features at a reasonable price. Cons: limited breathability. Your feet may feel a bit warm during extended use. Weight: at around 10.5 ounces, it's slightly heavier than modern daily trainers. Durability of the upper: with intense long-term use, the upper material could use some improvement for enhanced longevity. Conclusion: the New Balance Fresh Foam X860V14 is a solid contender for anyone seeking both stability and comfort. Whether you use it as a daily running shoe or for long walks, this model won't let you down. If you're looking for a durable, stylish training shoe that gently supports your feet, it's definitely worth checking out. What do you think of this model? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Asics Gel Kayano 31. Now, it's time for a classic in the running world, the Asics Gel Kayano 31. This model has been around since 1993 and continues to evolve with every new iteration. The Kayano series has always been a reliable choice for runners seeking stability and comfort. Let's quickly dive into the key features of the Gel Kayano 31 and who it's best suited for. Let's get started. Key features of the Asics Gel Kayano 31. 1. Outstanding stability. The 4D guidance system gently supports your foot throughout each stride and prevents uncontrolled movements. 2. Perfect for heel strikers. If you tend to land on your heels, this shoe's cushioning system offers extra comfort. 3. Ingenious new mesh upper. Designed for breathability and a snug fit, ensuring long-lasting comfort even during extended use. 4. Maximum cushioning. With the plush FF Blast Plus foam technology, every step feels like walking on clouds. 5. Wide and comfortable upper design. Perfect for those with wider feet. 6. Lighter design. Slightly lighter than the previous version, minimizing the sensation of weight. 7. Ideal for long distances. Provides lasting support and comfort for marathon runners at slower paces. 8. Great for easy runs. A perfect choice for runners who prefer a relaxed pace over speed-focused training. Who is it for? The Asics Gel Kayano 31 is an excellent choice for Gel Kayano 30 users. If you're ready to upgrade, this version is a significant improvement. Runners who enjoy slower paces. If comfort and stability are your priorities, the Gel Kayano 31 has you covered. Marathon runners. This shoe will be your trusted companion for long, easy-paced runs. Cons. Of course, this model has some downsides. Bulky and heavy design. If you're looking for something lighter and more compact, alternatives like the Hoka Arahi 7 might be a better fit. Limited versatility. It may not perform well during speed training or for those who need more flexibility. Outsole could use improvement. There are other models that perform better on various terrains. Conclusion. The Asics Gel Kayano 31 is a strong contender for runners who prioritize comfort and stability. It delivers reliable performance, luxurious cushioning, and support for long distances. If you're looking for a shoe that protects your feet and offers comfort and durability, this model is worth checking out. Do you think the Gel Kayano 31 meets expectations? Share your thoughts in the comments below.